Welcome back, people of YouTube. You know the time, it's time to put another dream on another driveway. We're back out here today with a Japanese classic Yamaha Tw125. Let's do this. Here she is in all her glory. Absolutely stunning bikes these. This has had a bit of love. It's got a full stainless GPR exhaust. The tank looks like it's had a polish. Very good nick. Look at that shine. Low mileage one. She's on 23k, for which one of these is absolutely nothing. 4-stroke air cooled, absolutely bulletproof engines. Fun fact, they're down as agricultural in the tax class. I think it's because of this big rear tyre you've got just there. But yeah, cracking bikes, and for what we're working with today, it's absolutely perfect. So I'm not going to hang around. I've got a pile of brand new bits right here. I've got some new tyres in the way on the post, and we're just going to get straight to it. Guys, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, the next giveaway is at 10k. We've already had the 1,000 sub giveaway. Someone's walked away with a cash prize. Happy days. Guys, put it on full screen. Let's put another... Yes people, we are back outside with this black on black Yamaha TW, and it is looking mad. Look at the size of these tyres. Absolutely massive. Big fat knobbles. We've got the nice LED light in the front. Look at that. Nice strip side light. Nice little tidy rear tail light. Little LED number plate light down there. Absolutely stunning. This one was done to custom spec. You wanted matte black tank, the gloss black lettering just on there, and then all black side X exhaust, again black. Very neat looking bike. Let's fire it up. Right then guys, that's one more build, all done. This thing's absolutely gorgeous, black on black, big knobblers, the side X exhaust, it's just really working. If you like it, drop a like, drop a comment, make sure you hit subscribe so you move with a chance to win in the 10k giveaway, and I'll see you at the next one.